What is your dream country to visit?
It's like Hawaii.
Hawaii is a country?
Yes. No, I don't know if it's a country, but I'd like to visit it.
Okay, where is it, Hawaii?
What?
Where is it, Hawaii?
Hvor ligger
It's
Hawaii?
like
Where
I
is
don't
located?
know how to.
America?
I don't know.
What is your dream country to visit?
Also Hawaii.
South America.
Oh, but there is many countries in South America.
I don't know why, because I have seen in TikTok so
Mexico?
many beautiful...
Oh.
Mexico, yes! So many beautiful places in the culture.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Habla español?
No.
You gotta learn.
Friend.
You gotta learn Spanish because many like all of countries speak
Hola,
Spanish.
¿cómo estás?
Exactly. Your dream country.
Pakistan.
Why?
Pakistan, sådan Pakistan. Hvad fuck siger man det?
Why Pakistan?
Pakistan is
Hvorfor vil du have Pakistan?
no, because my stepdad is from Pakistan.
Oh, really?